Okay, so I've had a guitar for years, but I never had any amplifier. So I looked up in the internet and looked every possible options that there was, and I ended up buying this one.
Fender GT40 Mustang.
So this is unboxing, and we're gonna take a look at inside and see if I can get any kind of sound out of this thing with my guitar. Open the tapes carefully. Carefully. Don't want to break anything. What do we find inside the box? Another freaking box. Somehow. Nice. Come on, get off. What is this? Warranty cards, quick start guide. Okay, let's just lift this carefully. Okay, let's get plastic off. Yeah, there it is.
I would say quite small and light package. Front with Fender logo. It's a black box.
And the back.
Top part of the amplifier with the knobs.
At the back you have USB connector here, so you can connect this to your computer for recording. Then there's a foot switch pedal connection here, and here's your power connector. This is 100 to 240 volts, and of course your power switch on and off. Yeah, and here's the top interface or menu, what do you want to call it. I suppose this is where you plug your guitar. These are your controls, and here's your display, and I think this is like a menu button. Yeah, they feel quite nice, not spongy or anything, nice and firm knobs. Okay, let's see if I can get a power to this thing and if I can get any sound out of it. Alright, it says Fender on top, then what? Mustang GT. Okay, and it's on. It says basically, and tap light is blinking. Oh, I don't even have a pick with me. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I suppose with this I could do some more adjustments here, but I'm not gonna do this now. Blues, 1951. Okay, so it seems to be working. There are probably lots of features and things here that I could test, but I'm not gonna do it right now. There's Wi-Fi, there's Bluetooth, there's aux in, headphones. I'm probably gonna be using this mostly with the headphones, because whenever I play I don't want to be disturbing anyone else, because, well, you heard I can't play too much, so that's why I got it, so I can practice. Yeah, that's about it. Not much more to say about this right now. Thank you for watching the video. See you later. Bye.